In this presentation we are looking at mirroring so that we understand we are looking at what the different time frames are doing. We want to be trading in the same way as traders on the various time frames. And we are looking at the 1 minute chart at the moment, so we can see there's been a bit of toing and froing, but I'm interested in what's going on at the moment. We've got a bit of a move higher, and on the 1 minute chart we can see that we have our moving averages are blue over the red, with the trigger line on the US dollar index moving in a downward direction. We have the histogram on the MACD moving upwards above the zero axis with the blue over the red. We have the blue over the reds with the stochastic moving in upward direction, and we have price action above the blue and the red. Now we're a little bit overbought, but there's probably a good reason for that, because all the traders on the other time frames are buying this pair at the moment. So we want to see that whatever we're doing on the 1 minute is being mirrored in the 5 minutes and the other time frame. So let's have a look at the 5 minutes. So here we can see that the US dollar index is moving in a downward direction, just as it was with the 1 minute setup. With the histogram on the MACD, we have the stochastics moving in upward direction. We've got blue over red on every single one of those, and we have the price, the blue candlesticks moving upward direction, so that's mirrored. Going to look at the 15-minute chart. We've got exactly the same situation with the US dollar index moving downward direction. We have a certain amount of divergence. Again, everything's lined up. We are mirrored on the 15-minute chart as well. Once again, everything is working and aligned. We're mirrored on the 30 minutes, and lastly we're going to look at the 1 hour. Generally speaking, we can see that there is a downward move on the US dollar index. We have the histogram moving in upward direction. We don't quite yet have a blue moving average over the red, but we can see that it's tapered in an upward direction, and we can see that the stochastics have moved with the blue over the red moving in an upward direction, and we can see that we have a blue candlestick moving to the upside. So we would imagine that the next price action should be going towards the 116.75 area. So this is an indication of what we're looking at with regard to mirroring. We want to see all our time frames looking the same to give us that edge.